Hello friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to see about how to propagate rain lilies. A mature bulb takes a year to multiply and produce so many babies. You can slice the bulbs and put it in wet sand. After 2 or 3 weeks, a new rain lily plant rooting and new leaves have appeared. Now, let's see how to grow rain lilies from seeds. Friends, if you like my videos, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Usually the seeds form at the end of the blossoms. The seed pods that form after flowering are mature in 2 weeks. Young seed pods are pale green color. Wait until the seed pod becomes dry. Harvest the seed when seed pods begin to split. Collect the seed into a small paper box. Don't save the seeds in plastic. You may start sowing immediately after harvest. Choose a small pot with a good drainage hole and fill it with wet potting soil. Poke holes into the soil. Put a single seed in each hole so that each has a little room to grow. Water sparingly. Place the pot in a shaded area until germination. Normally, seeds will germinate in 10 days and slender green leaves have appeared. A very tiny cute bulbs will form in 3 months. They take a year to establish and starts bloom. Water your rain lily when the topsoil feels dry. Thank you.